on, leave her TV alone. Lily, is you gonna get dressed for 7 o'clock or what?
It's 7 o'clock, I'm dressed. I'm just so dressed. You don't make a shit out of like you. Embarrassing myself. You don't make me nothing. People laughing at me. I see how big it is. Get me out of this juice joint. I don't see for it.
Come on. Come on, 7 o'clock. Come on. Go. Come on, man. Put on some shoes or something. You need shoes to get in? That's when you was going to Kids Quest, girl. You grown, going to the grown.
Kids Quest? What the fuck? Just stop it right now. Oh my God. Get me out of here, man. I'm a dog.
Lily, don't go down the stairs. You're going to fall. Come on, man. Go in your room.
Oh. Who I complain to? Who I complain to? Spice my drink. If this is good, I don't even honestly it's right.
Where you going? Well, go out the door. The door right there. Right here, Lily. Right there. Shut the door behind you. No, you gotta open the door and go out, Lily.
You should try to do people like this.
Go in there.
She ain't not fucking there, but you blackness. Why are you trying to even push me here?
Cause that's the door.
Somebody did. Y'all ain't funny now. You're going too far.
No, don't go that way.
This way?
No. I told you the way to go.
Oh, Mama. Mama, you don't even deserve this. Get me out of here, Mama.
Come on, man. Come lay down, Lily.
Get me out of here. Somebody did with me.
Ain't nobody did nothing to you.
I ain't never been in structure. Come on, man. Somebody did something.
Ain't no
wrong for real.
Come on, your bed is this way, Lily.
My bed's not even that way, y'all. Come on, stop it.
Look.
It's not even funny now.
Y'all see that, y'all? The bed over here. Now, Lily, come on, no! Come on, this way.
You just stop it right now.
No!
Now, it's serious. It was funny at first. That's serious. Take me home to my mama. I'm just sliding on down because y'all wrong for this. Get your mother